Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about WAXP Coin. In this video I'm talking about the latest price update of WAXP WAXP with surprise changes occur in the WAXP. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about WAXP WAXP Coin. First of all guys, I'm talking about the 7 days update of WAXP coin. The changes occur in the WAXP is about negative 18.67%. Other side, if we talk about the highest price of 0.355095 USD dollar, that is the highest price of a WAXP coin. And the right now price is about 0.286918 USD dollar. That is the right now price of WAXP coin. So if we study price chart, so I think that my prediction is going wrong about WAXP coin. I'm sorry, but I think that's occurring. Now you can see now they're in the false mode, and I believe guys, my prediction is that for 1 week they continue like that false, and after 1 week there is again possibilities that the price will pump. I mean that after 1 week again maybe the price changes will become positive. Anyways guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching.